Yeah, thank you very much. Nice introduction. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Tae-Eun Jin. I'm working in Korea Bioinformatics Center at KRIP, Korea Research Institute of Bioscience and Biotechnology, we call it KRIP. It was a great honor to return to ACM and have an opportunity to present once again. Before I present this presentation, I checked what I did in ACM. Actually, I attended ACM several times, long time ago. That time, the last attendance was 11th ACM. It was held in Korea. So, and according to the ACM meeting note, I checked the ACM homepage, and that time I present the outcome of the COP12 and MAP1 report things at there. So I'm truly delighted to see old friends from China and Japan and Thailand and also Korea again. I'm really pleased to reconnect after all these years. Now let me begin my presentation. The title is my talk today is Management of Bioresources in Korea. ACM is more specialized for microbe. I'm talking about all the biological resources in Korea perspective. In this presentation, I will first provide a brief overview of Korea national strategies related to bioresources, and then I will introduce BioOne. It is the integrated information platform for bioresources. In Korea, we established national strategy for the management of bioresources, which were first initiated in 2010. As you show here, it started from 2010. Now it's 2025. So in the first stage, the focus was securing broad range of bioresources and increase the quantity of collection of biomaterial. At that time, we have about maybe 1.6 or 7 million biological resources in Korea. That time, we focused on the more collections. In the second stage of that, the strategy shifted toward a more systematic and strategic approach to both collection and management, as we show here. We designated 10 strategic categories of bioresources, including cell line, primate, mice, lactobacillus, and so on. That time, it was focused on their targeted collections and management. From 2020, the third stage, the scope was expanded from bioresources to include biodata. This phase emphasized the utilization of biological resources. So we move from the collection and management and utilization pathway. So that time we collect 11,000, something like that. From last year, we have more than 20,000. So from 2010, we have more than 10 times more now. So this basis, we shift to the utilization of our resources and data. We're marking a shift in focus from simple collection to use and application of biological resources. As I mentioned before, in the third Korea national strategy, I called the stage in the previous. In the third Korea national strategy for bioresources, there is 4 strategies. One is the data-driven utilization of biological resources. Second one is the, first one is the data-driven biological research environment. Second one is promote user-driven utilization of biological resources. Third one is when we established this strategy, there was a huge impact of COVID-19. So third one is the establishing emergency response mechanism for biological resources. Fourth one is to create sustainable success for public and private collaboration, something like that. So in the first one is more focused on the data perspective. So based on that, we try to enhance accessibility and the value through digital transformation. In the second strategy, we try to support the customized and practical use by researchers and the industries. And third and fourth is third one is the more rapid mobilization of resources for biological crisis like COVID-19. Fourth one is foster sustainable cooperation between government, academia, and industry like that. As a result of these strategic changes, we have classified bioresources into 14 clusters. At that time, there was more than 200. At that time, there was 274 BRCs in Korea. When we checked last year, it was 204, something like that. Anyway, there's a lot of BRCs there. Maybe half is quite a big one, like a KACC. Maybe half one is quite small, like one professor and 2-3 students there, something like that. So we need to focus on specialized areas. So Korean government, they discussed a long time, and finally they decide to classify 14 areas, something like 14 areas like the animal and human, like the natural product and seed microbiome, something like that. We cluster the 14 clusters. And through this clustering approach, we aim to provide the bioresources together with relevant and high quality of information, and organize the structured cluster management system using hub bank and the spoke bank and collaboration bank like that. Also establish a multi-ministry network to jointly implement the project and promote policies. So to implement this strategy plan for bioresources, a cooperation mechanism among the bioresource center in Korea has been proposed. As I mentioned in the previous slide, there is a hub bank is the main central bank, and there's other spoke bank, and there is some collaboration bank. For example, in micro area, KCTC and KACC is hub bank, and the other small bank is the spoke bank. And collaboration center is not a bank; they just provide some services, something like the analysis service, something like that. So we try to enhance this collaboration. So to enhance the collaboration across the 14 bioresource clusters, cooperation council was established involving multi-ministry and multi-hub bank, because there is 14 clusters, there is 5-6 ministries, they are involved in this collaboration. We need some network and discussion tools, so we established a council there. And additionally, dedicated supporting unit has been designated to serve as a secretary for this coordination and supporting cluster level activities. There's a lot of biobank, we need a kind of a secretary. The Korea Bioinformation Center, where I'm working now, has been designated as a supporting unit for the bioresource clusters. So that means that our group, we are supporting 14 clusters for collaboration and networking. Previously, bioresource management focused on quantity, and collection was based mainly on needs of each biological center. Information was limited, and users experienced inconvenience due to the fragmented system. Based on that, we aim to collect high quality of biological resources and strengthen quality controls, promote cluster-based collaboration, and offer one-stop access to bioresources through user-driven approaches. The goal is to build a user-driven bioresource distribution ecosystem in Korea and other countries. So one of our goal is the one-stop utilization. So based for achieve this goal, we try to establish a bio-one that I present next slide. So from this slide, I will give a brief introduction of bio-one. So maybe most of them, you never heard about the bio-one system. So I will explain a little bit more about in second part. In third part, I will provide some kind of a demonstration to you. So before I start my presentation, I prepared a small short movies. This video will give you clear and easy to understand overview of what bio-one is and how it works. Let's take about 3 minutes to watch it together, please.
우리가 상상하는 미래는 어떤 모습일까요? 질병 없는 건강한 삶, 편리하고 안전한 생활, 풍요로운 에너지 등 이 모든 것들은 바이오 소재를 통해 시작되며 신약 및 화장품 개발부터 건강기능식품과 친환경 소재까지 다양한 분야에 활용되고 있습니다. 오늘날 바이오 소재는 단순한 재료가 아니며 우리의 삶을 변화시키고 미래를 바꿀 핵심 요소로 자리 잡고 있습니다. 그 가능성은 무궁무진하며 K-바이오를 더욱 풍요롭게 만들어줄 것입니다. 하지만 바이오 소재의 무한한 가능성을 현실로 만들기 위해서는 아직 해결해야 할 과제가 있습니다. 다양한 바이오 소재와 수많은 논문, 특허 등 방대한 데이터가 여러 사이트에 분산되어 있어 연구자들이 원하는 자료를 찾는 것은 쉽지 않습니다. 이러한 어려움을 해결하기 위해 등장한 바이오 소재 정보 통합 플랫폼 바이오-1. 14대 바이오 소재 클러스터의 소재 정보와 국내외 바이오 관련 정보 등을 한 곳에 모아 수요자들이 더욱 효율적으로 정보를 찾을 수 있도록 길잡이가 되어주는 플랫폼입니다. 연구자뿐만 아니라 일반 사용자도 쉽게 이해하고 활용할 수 있는 바이오-1. 바이오-1은 논문, 특허 검색, 질병 및 유전자 기반의 소재 검색, 원스톱 소재 분양 신청, 바이오 소재 추천, 개인화 서비스 등 사용자가 필요로 하는 다양한 서비스를 제공합니다. 기존에는 국내외 논문, 특허 정보를 각각 다른 사이트에서 검색해야 했지만 바이오-1은 키스티의 국내 논문, 펀메드의 해외 논문, 키프리스의 특허 정보를 연계하여 한 곳에서 통합적으로 검색할 수 있는 서비스를 제공합니다. 또한 질병 및 유전자 정보를 이용해 관련된 바이오 소재를 검색할 수 있으며 오픈 타겟 플랫폼에 질병, 타겟, 약물 정보를 연계해 소재에 대한 확장된 정보를 제공합니다. 이에 더해 바이오 소재 정보 검색뿐만 아니라 연구자의 편리한 활용을 위한 원스톱 분양 신청 서비스를 제공합니다. 그리고 바이오-1은 사용자들의 검색 패턴을 분석해 유사한 사용자들이 검색한 소재나 활용 정보를 기반으로 연관된 소재를 교차 추천합니다. 그리고 사용자는 바이오-1의 개인화 서비스를 통해 관심 있는 바이오 소재, 논문, 특허 정보와 추천 소재 및 키워드를 모아 사용자별 맞춤형 데이터로 관리하고 공유할 수 있습니다. 바이오-1은 바이오 산업과 연구를 한층 더 도약시킬 선도적인 플랫폼입니다. 이제 연구자들은 수많은 자료 속에서 헤매지 않고 필요한 정보를 빠르고 정확하게 찾을 수 있습니다. 바이오 소재는 미래의 혁신을 가능하게 하는 핵심 자원이며 바이오-1은 그 가능성을 열어주는 열쇠가 될 것입니다. 알기 쉽게, 찾기 쉽게, 다양하게, 한 곳에서. 지금 바이오-1과 함께하세요.
Yeah. So it was short video. It was much better than I explained to you, but I will provide a little bit information about our system. Our system, we are trying to be a good navigator for researchers. So we would like to realize this vision. We developed a bio-one, a user-friendly platform for accessing comprehensive information on biological resources. Our slogan is like this side: effortless, discoverable, diverse, and unique yourselves. Unique yours. So bio-one provide connect user to 14 specialized cluster portals. So users can easily find their biological resources they need in one place. This integrated approach makes search for biological resources simple and easily. BioOne integrates a domestic and international knowledge database through relation data analysis, enable smart connection between disease and gene and drug and bioresources data. So I will show later on in this one. This one, they show some association or relations map of bioresources on other data. The platform provides a diverse type of information as is shown in movies. So we provide some biological resource information. Also, we provide domestic papers and international papers and disease, drug, and gene information. Also, last year we linked the patent information from US and Europe and PCT and Japan, and also in Korea. We provide some research results. So we also provide some we call personalized experience. Users can personalize their experience by using a saving note and also searching history, even sharing their finding on social medias. It is designed to adapt to each user's needs. And looking forward, we'll expand BioOne this way from this year. We include more diverse data. We are planning to add more data from gene or protein data from the PubMed, NCBI. And we would like also planning to link to international biological resources. We try to integrate some database from other biological resources. Also, we would like to enhancing research, R&D design and planning support. We aim to make BioOne smarter and broader and more global way. So this one is some brief highlight of BioOne. I don't have enough time, so I will move next slide. So I will give a short demonstration of biological resources. I will walk you through main features so you can see how BioOne works in practice. So this one is the main page of BioOne. If you see the BioOne re.kr/en is the English page, and you can go by barcode. So I typed the bacillus in here is in our system, and if you search a bacillus, you can see many data. So you can see what kind of biological resources we have in database. Also, we provide some I'll show here. Biological resources or some data from the Open Target platform is developed for the drug development, and also provide the paper, patent, and research data. So if you see the biological resources, this bacillus we have in cluster of microbe. Cluster of microbe include KCTC and KCCC. Also, National Marine Biodiversity Institution, they also have a bacillus. So if we have several institutions, you can find out which BRC have these biological resources. And also, you can see the list of bacillus. And we also provide some information of paper related to the bacillus. If you click one of the paper, you can see some way like a title and also an object, something like that. I think you can wonder, you can see this kind of information in PubMed. Why I have to use BioOne? Our special one is we use this keyword in the publication. We search in our database. If we have some resources in BioOne, we list in here, and you can click one of them, and you can go to some information site of biological resources, and you can see the detailed information, is the origin or where it is, and what kind of paper, something like that, and you can try to distribute, you can apply to distribution of biological resources. And the other function is patent. So you can see Korea patent, maybe, I remember maybe US or something like that. There's many patent there related to bachelor's. And you can see, if you want to see more detailed patent information, you can click here, you can see the in detail. And as you know, in patent, there's no keyword. So we would like to provide a similar function with the paper. So we use the Google, we use the BioBot AI model. So we generate the keyword from the patent. We also, using this patent keyword, we also we search in our database, we list up the biological resources here. So you can click one of them, you can also see what kind of resources is there. And the other function is, we have still lots of information, so it's hard to find out your desired resources. So we we call the mind map. So you can search one of them from a bachelor's. You can highlight some information. So you can see from bachelor's, this one is the K means the key phrase is a patent. You can see some data from the open science and some from the PubMed, something like that. If you click one of the button, you can focus and emphasize this keyword, and you can go somewhere and go back, and you can find out some information in this system. So we could not give it a clear one, but you can find out, you can try to find your desired one in this system. So my English is not good, so it's hard to explain you in English. So I would like to ask you, you can try it and you can give some good comment to us. So this slide is my last slide. So KOBIC has been designated as an official supporting unit for managing biological resource cluster in Korea. We are committed to building smarter and more connected ecosystem for biological resources. That's the reason why we established the BioOne in Korea. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, and please feel free to contact me now or later. Thank you very much.